Well, John wasn't exactly the boogeyman.
So this noise is coming inside the car itself. So this is showing the instrument cluster, showing that hill start assist not available right now. I'm keeping this car in gear and hear the noise. And see the vibration, it says rear parking brake on, off. So you can hear the sound, and there's noise in the car itself also. So there are ABS light, engine light, traction control, and many more. So right now this is in D, and the whole car is vibrating. And hear the sound when I try to drive this car. And so here you can see that I'm trying to climb the hill, but it's unable to do the climbing also. So this is Ford Ecosport automatic petrol. Thank you guys. So this is in park. The noise. This is Ford Ecosport petrol automatic, and you can see there is too much oil inside. This oil is leaking over here, and the vehicle has came here for the same issue.
I just like the sound.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
guys, this is the car position right now. We have solved all the problems. See the gear, when I shift it, there is no jerking whatsoever in any of the gears. And also the pedal shifters are right now working as well right now. So the light on the instrumental cluster is because of the ABS sensor right now, because there is a broken ABS sensor over there. So this is Ford Ecosport 2018. Thank you.